Creepy facts about Duppies ghosts that you didn't know about. Jamaican edition. Duppies are not the spirit of a loved one who has passed away. It's actually a demon impersonating them in the spiritual realm that feeds off your vulnerability. The Duppy of women who pass away in child's birth always return to take their baby with them. This is why these women are buried with dolls. Sometimes what you see in your house that you think is a Duppy is actually someone astral projecting. Duppies were used by Spaniards back in the days to guard riches in the hills of Jamaica. They hid them in large jars called paña jars. If the Duppy gets tired of guarding it, the Duppy will choose someone to give it to. A Duppy can call your name, but they'll only call it once. A Duppy will usually knock on your door 3 times. A Duppy can eat with you, and that will make you really sick.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
Duppies, especially old-time Duppy, love the moonlight. Sometimes they can be seen just staring at the moon. If you see a Duppy and you talk, it can dumb you. Like and follow Jamaican True Stories for more.